Hey, welcome back to Neck Air Custom. Today, pulling off the windshield. It's cracked, it's scratched, it's cloudy, and I don't like the way it looks, so it's gotta go. But let's get to work. Well, just pulling the windshield off here because I don't like it. Open pull it off. There we go. And it's cracked, and maybe eventually, well, my plan is to eventually put a bat wing on it, but for now I'm just pulling this off. So there's a few bolts that need to come out. Let's see, is it loose enough? No, it's not. Not that many bolts that need to come out for this, but there's a few. So, just going to take it, loosen off a few. Leave them on for now, but loosen them off. These two just mount to the mounts. I am going to take the windshield mount off, but give me a minute. Hey, recycling truck. These are the adjustment bolts. Got them loose. The reason I'm just taking this part off so I'm taking those off first for a reason. That reason is to get this and this off. There's just 3 more bolts, but they're buried behind the windshield. I don't know, I think it looks better already. Might get something to wrap up around here, but... Alright, now let's get the rest of this off. Gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna do with the getting that all sort of covered until I can get my bat wing from Quadzilla or whoever. I think eventually this thing might get a paint job too. Won't be Spock anymore, I guess. And there's these bolts, which hold the light bar on, which I do like. So, gotta pull this off. I believe it's that one. Let's double check. Yeah, that's the one. Getting the lower fairing off. There's more than just that hole in it. I really got to start investing in better tools. That I'm just going to take out. I'm going to put it back in. Before I do though, So some WD-40. Much nicer. And I figure if I change my mind, I can always plug it back in. Won't be that difficult. Doesn't need a bath. Blowers are off. Windshield is off. WD-40 in holes. Yeah, like I said, it was cracked, it was cloudy, and I plan on putting the Memphis shade on here, or Quadzilla, or something. But anyway, I'm putting all the holes, filling all the holes in again. Cuts. I don't want fluid getting in there and causing problems. But I think that'll just about do it for today. Tell me what you think. I don't mind it. Kind of wish this was all internally done, but I'll have to figure something out for it. Could probably just wrap it. But either way, let me know what you think. Comment below. Like, share, subscribe. And I'll see you later.